Welcome to today's video, where we reveal the ultimate lazy person's guide to getting rich without working hard. If you've ever wondered how some people build wealth effortlessly while others grind away with little to show for it, this video is for you. Now, let's be clear, getting rich without working hard doesn't mean you won't have to do anything. Instead, it means working smart, using leverage, and making strategic choices that allow money to flow to you passively. In this video, we'll break down the proven methods that allow you to accumulate wealth with minimal effort, and by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial success without the burnout. Let's get started. The myth of hard work and wealth society tells us that the harder we work, the richer we'll become. But if that were true, construction workers, janitors, and teachers would be the wealthiest people in the world. Instead, billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, and Elon Musk focus on systems, automation, and leverage rather than manual effort. Here's the first mindset shift: money is not made by working hard, it's made by working smart. Wealthy people don't trade their time for money, they create systems that make money for them while they sleep. The 80-20th rule, work less, earn more. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20th rule, states that 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. That means you don't need to do everything, just focus on the high-impact activities that generate wealth effortlessly. Examples: instead of working 9 to 5 for 40 years, invest in assets that appreciate over time. Instead of selling your time for money, create a product or business that sells on autopilot. Instead of doing everything yourself, outsource and automate tasks. The key is to focus on high-leverage activities that require little effort but yield massive returns. The power of passive income. Passive income is the holy grail of lazy wealth building. It allows you to make money with minimal ongoing effort. Here are 5 of the easiest passive income sources. Dividend stocks: invest once and get paid quarterly without lifting a finger. Rental properties: earn money every month from real estate while tenants pay your mortgage. Digital products: create an ebook, online course, or template that sells on autopilot. Affiliate marketing: promote other people's products and earn commissions while you sleep. YouTube automation: start a YouTube channel with AI-generated videos and let ads pay you passively. If you set up multiple passive income streams, you'll generate wealth with minimal daily effort. How to make money work for you. Instead of you working for money, most people work for money, but the wealthy make money work for them. Here's how: invest in assets, stocks, crypto, real estate, that appreciate over time. Use compound interest, let your money grow exponentially without additional work. Leverage other people's time, OPT, hire employees, freelancers, or use software to scale income effortlessly. Leverage other people's money, OPM, use loans, investors, and partnerships to build wealth without fronting all the capital. Automate your wealth. The laziest way to get rich is to automate your finances. Set up automatic investments. Apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Vanguard invest for you. High-interest savings accounts: your money grows passively. Business automation: AI tools, dropshipping, and digital products run themselves. Automation removes effort and lets wealth grow while you do nothing. The lazy person's side hustles. Not all side hustles require hard work. Here are some of the easiest ways to make extra cash with little effort: selling print-on-demand t-shirts, no inventory, no upfront costs. Creating and selling AI-generated art, AI tools do 90% of the work for you. Voiceover work using AI tools, use AI-generated voiceovers to sell on platforms like Fiverr. Renting out stuff you own, rent your car, camera, or house for passive income. With minimal input, these side hustles can bring in thousands per month. The secret of the rich: delegation and outsourcing. Wealthy people don't do everything themselves. They delegate and outsource as much as possible. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, hire someone for cheap and focus on wealth-building activities. Use virtual assistants to handle emails, social media, and customer service. Use freelancers for design, content creation, and marketing. Use software for automation, chatbots, scheduling tools, and accounting apps. This frees up time while your business or investments continue growing. The fastest way to wealth: sell something once, get paid forever. The most powerful way to get rich without working hard is to sell something once and get paid forever. This could become a book that generates royalties for years. A YouTube video that earns ad revenue forever. A course that students keep buying without you teaching live. A software subscription that customers pay for every month. This method builds long-term, effortless wealth. The number one mistake keeping you broke: the biggest mistake most people make is spending money on liabilities instead of assets. If you want to be rich without working hard, stop buying things that drain your wealth and start buying things that make you money. Liabilities: fancy cars, designer clothes, expensive vacations. Assets: stocks, real estate, digital products, businesses. Shift your spending habits, and you'll build wealth effortlessly. Conclusion: your lazy roadmap to wealth. Getting rich without working hard is all about strategy. Here's a simple roadmap: change your mindset, stop trading time for money. Use the 80-20 rule, focus on the highest earning activities. Automate your income, set up passive income streams. Leverage other people's time and money, outsource and invest smartly. Sell something once and get paid forever: digital products, royalties, or online businesses. If you follow this system, you can build real wealth while working less. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's your first step toward lazy wealth? See you in the next video.